So our next speaker is Jim Rubillo. Jim has failed retirement 3 times, but it tells me he's finally gotten it right now. He's a professor emeritus, Bucks County Community College in Pennsylvania, former executive director of NCTM, then NCTM received the NCTM Lifetime Achievement Award in 2013, and he has spoken in all 50 states in the U.S.
What turns me on, oh gosh, what turns me on are good examples. And I want to share with some examples with you, and in 5 minutes, good classroom examples. First of all, I'd like you to take the numbers 1, 2 number 1, and add them together, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, and then take the sum. As you can see, it's 4. You were so good at that, I'd like you to do it with 2. 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 2 times 2, and 2 divided by 2. You're supposed to be doing this work yourself in your head. And of course, you can see the sum is 9. You're very good at that. I'd like you to repeat it with 2 3s. 3 plus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 times 3, and 3 divided by 3. And then sum them up, and you will see you have 16. Now I'd like you to do it again with 4. Yes, let's go. 4. Ta-da! Ta-da! 15 seconds is a long time. See that? Sum is 25. You want to predict what it is for 5, friends? Oh, how clever you are. How about 7? I tricked you, didn't I? See, so, okay. So for 7, you think it's 64. For 9, what do you think it is? Well, you think you know my rule? Prove it. N plus n is 2n. N minus n is 0. N times n is n squared. N divided by n is 1 as long as n is not 0. Let us take the sum. What do you think the sum of those might be? N squared plus 2n plus n is the quantity n plus 1 squared. A simple classroom example. You're stealing it. I know it. Okay? Isn't that pretty? Now, you like that one so much, I have a second. I have a piece of paper. It has 4 sides. Okay? There are no folds, so it's a square. Now, so you know that? Now I'm going to fold it once. I'm taking the center and folding it into the middle. And with one fold, I now have 5 sides, okay? It's a pentagon. Not all pentagons have to be regular. Very good point. Now I'm going to make a second fold. I'm going to the other side, and I'm going to fold this one into the middle. And when I have 2 folds, this shape has how many sides? 6 sides. Okay. Now, guess what I'm going to do? A third fold. I'm going to fold from one side into the middle, and I'm going to have this shape. This pentagon, I want to envelop you in this problem. Okay. Now I'm going to make a 4th fold. How many sides? 4. Now, without doing this again, so we have, there are your numbers. Now I'm going to do a 5th fold. Repeat the process. Now, as I do my 5th fold, I'm going to take the corner and bring it in. So we have a pentagon. Now I'm going to do a 6th fold. How many sides? 6 sides. Now, 6 sides. Now I'm going to do a 7th fold. How many sides are we going to have? 5. Okay, come on, Jimmy. Okay. Boy, it's 15 seconds is a long time. You told me this was really stressful. It isn't at all. It's a pentagon. And then the 6th fold is going to do what? Oh, what's my rule? I'm going to have 36 slides. How many sides? 36 folds. How many sides? This is going to repeat itself what? Every 4 times, isn't it? 36 folds. How many sides will it have? 4. How about 57 slides? Folds, rather. 5. How do you know that? 56 plus 1. I'm really impressed with your mathematical ability. 56 plus 1 is 57. Well, by the way, look at the graph of it. The graph is, whoops, it went that fast, huh? My rule is very simply the following. What do? Number of folds divided by 4. If it's even, if it's divisible by 4, it's 4 sides. If it's divisible by, it's odd, it's going to be 5 sides, and so forth. I have a cyclic function, which you do not connect the points, but we have a nice cyclic function that can be introduced to kids at the very early grades. Thank you.